There are no walls here, just windows. No boundaries, just destinations. This is where I belong. This is my gym, Nature's Gym. My name is Jose. I'm the manager of the REI Outdoor School and Events in San Diego. And like you, I love being outdoors. From backpacking to climbing, cycling to skiing, you want to be in shape to enjoy your outdoor activities to their fullest. REI Outdoor School integrates a fitness routine into your already active outdoor adventures. By adding a few simple exercises to your hike, run, or ride, you can improve your training in the place you want to be most, outside, in Nature's Gym.